This question right here could be the difference between a band 5 and a band 6. If you want to secure that 90 plus ATAR and get into your dream university, watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you a powerful technique that most students don't know about. So how do you solve it? The answer is modular arithmetic. Before we solve this problem, let me quickly explain what mod 3 means. Modulo is just the remainder after division. Look at this. 3 divided by 3 gives remainder 0, so 3 is congruent to 0 mod 3. And 5 divided by 3 gives remainder 2, so 5 is congruent to 2 mod 3. Simple. The remainder is your mod answer. Now let's use this to solve a tricky equation. Step 1. Take the whole equation mod 3. Why 3? Because 3 to the power k is always divisible by 3, so it becomes 0. This simplifies our problem dramatically. So we have 0 minus 2 to the power k is congruent to 5 mod 3. Since 5 mod 3 equals 2, we get minus 2 to the power k equals 2 mod 3. Multiply both sides by -1 and we have 2 to the power k is congruent to -2 mod 3, which is the same as 1 mod 3. Step 2. Check the pattern. Now here's the clever part. We need to find when 2 to the power k equals 1 mod 3. Let's check the pattern. 2 to the power 1 is 2 mod 3. 2 squared is 4, which is 1 mod 3. 2 cubed is 8, which is 2 mod 3. 2 to the power 4 is 16, which is 1 mod 3. Do you see the pattern? It alternates. When k is odd, we get 2. When k is even, we get 1. Since we need 2 to the power k to equal 1 mod 3, k must be an even number. This is a crucial insight. Step 3. Since k is even, let's substitute k equals 2n. Now our equation becomes 3 to the power 2n minus 2 to the power 2n equals 5. And this, my friends, is a difference of 2 squares. It factors beautifully into 3 to the power n minus 2 to the power n times 3 to the power n plus 2 to the power n equals 5. We can set up two equations. 3 to the power n minus 2 to the power n equals 1, and 3 to the power n plus 2 to the power n equals 5. Add these two equations together, and the 2 to the power n terms cancel out. We get 2 times 3 to the power n equals 6, which means 3 to the power n equals 3. So n equals 1. Final answer. Since k equals 2n and n equals 1, therefore k equals 2. And there's your mathematical proof. This is the kind of elegant solution that gets you full marks in your exams. If this helped you understand modular arithmetic, smash that like button and subscribe for more HSC and VCE math tricks that will get you into your dream university. See you in the next one.